Today I had my first trade on the 80k funded challenge and it was a loss. I've kind of developed a habit to start with a loss apparently. At the end of the video I will go over the trade. So the first ever challenge and Forex trade I ever made was a win, ironically. Now I know the first loss is easy to accept because you then think it's part of trading. Losses are maybe the most important thing of trading. I followed my plan, so nothing I did wrong. I've been working on this strategy for over a year now and trading it since March of 2023 on multiple live accounts with different sizes and risk management. For example, in March I opened a €200 account and with math I concluded the most amount of risk you could logically risk without hurting your break-even win rate was risking 20% per trade. Of course, way out of control. But €200 wasn't a lot to me, and of course, like any beginner trader, you want to be a millionaire in 30 days. So I decided to go for it. I calculated I needed 33% win rate to trade break even with a 3 RTP when risking 20% per trade. And the backtested win rate was like 40 to 50%. So theoretically, I calculated I needed to be a millionaire in 2 months or so. And I have the data of that account right here. I had 11 losses in a row right off the get-go, and the account went to €20. And so then of course I was wondering, well, how can that happen? The chance of having 11 losses in a row is really small. So I dove back into the data and I found out that the market conditions had changed and I needed to really sharpen my rules. And with my newfound rule, I would have prevented like 8 or so of those trades. So what did I do? I deposited €180 to get it back to the starting point of €200. What happened? I started with a loss, of course. Then a small win. The first small victory right there. Then another loss. After that one, another loss. But then a win. And then another win. Then a really small loss, almost a break-even trade. Then another win. The account now stood at 242. 20% profit on the account. Now I felt euphoric. The last 4 trades were 3 wins and 1 an almost break-even trade. What did I do next? I deposited €1,000. Then again, started with a loss. You get the point by now. I always start with a loss. Then a really small loss, again an almost break-even trade. Then a win. €336 in a trade. Wow, that is nice. Next trade, another win. €386 in one trade. Now the account stood at €1,803. I was gonna be rich again. And then it all went downhill again. The account bleeded out to €200 again. Yup. Alright, let's look at the first trade of the 80k funded challenge. Over here on USD Canadian dollar, if we go to the 30-minute, we broke this structure to the downside, confirming that the trend is still going down as you can see. Then we pulled back up into this supply or demand area. We liquidated this high over here and then we broke structure to the downside. Placed my order on this imbalanced order block and price ran straight through it, completely ignoring the order block, going straight to my stop loss. Now in hindsight, we were in an imbalanced area, which is not the best thing to trade when you're trading confirmation break of structures. But if we look at the 41-minute, you can see we're reacting on this imbalanced candle, which fits my strategy, so I had to take the trade. My backtested data suggests I need to take this trade, so I did, followed my rules, and it stopped me out. Now of course, always with a loss you start to wonder, did you do anything wrong? Or was it just up to chance that you lost that particular trade? Usually you can find something you didn't like about a trade. You can put that in the books and you can look back at all the past trades to see if you were right about that. So that's probably what I'm going to do in a next video. I will analyze this trade and see if it has a negative impact that we are trading in an imbalanced area. But for this particular trade, it was my strategy, follow my rules. It was a loss, nothing I can do. I can just analyze it for future trades. If you want to take a shot at a challenge as well, I've got a link down below towards the same prop firm as where I currently take my 80k challenge. Make sure to check it out if you are interested.